Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're going to restore from a backup, so check iCloud messages first. If it was on when the message was deleted, syncing may have removed it across devices. Next, verify the backup date that predates deletion. Settings, then iCloud, or plug into a Mac/PC to inspect Finder/iTunes backups. Once done, create a fresh local backup of your current device to avoid losing new data. Make sure your device is charged and on Wi-Fi. These checks set you up to safely erase and restore. Now perform the erase and restore. Erase the iPhone, then during setup choose Restore from iCloud Backup and pick the backup dated before the deletion, or connect to Finder/iTunes and select the older backup file. Restoring from a local Finder/iTunes backup can retrieve messages that existed at that backup snapshot. Make sure you remain on Wi-Fi, keep the phone plugged, and don't interrupt the process. Expect app re-downloads and some background syncing. Patience matters. Finish by signing into your Apple ID and letting the device complete all syncs. Open messages and allow time for indexing. Some items appear after apps finish restoring. If the conversation still isn't there, try restoring from an earlier backup or check other devices that may hold an older copy. One key troubleshooting tip. If messages in iCloud was enabled when the messages were deleted, they were likely removed server-side, and a restore won't recover them. In that case, contact Apple support or ask the sender to resend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.